moest je door in beeld bloeien. Alweer de 12e aflevering van Op de Pot met. And this time we're on the toilet with De Wallen.
Hey!
Hey, I'm gonna introduce you guys. First of all, your names. Peter, Adrian, and Jean-André, the French one.
The French one.
The French one, make some noise.
Oui.
Because you guys have a connection with the Netherlands, the French guy, I already heard.
Yes. I was born in Bussum.
Bussum of all places.
Of all places.
Wow. And you guys live in, well, most of you guys are from South of Africa.
Yes, we live in
You
Stellenbosch.
Okay, and where is that exactly?
Stellenbosch is a winelands about 40 kilometers outside of Cape Town. It's where all the nice people still live.
All
the students.
And all the sexy girls.
Makes sense. First of all, what brings you to the Netherlands, especially to Friesland, especially to Noorderwien?
Well, we didn't decide to come to one place in particular in Holland, but to the general of Holland, because in South Africa the alternative music scene is dying out a bit.
Yeah.
And we heard you guys here like loud music and like to party. So we decided, hey, well, if we're struggling over there, let's come over here and party with you guys. And we've been here now for more than a week, and it's been great. Every day is just getting better. I mean, we're up the pot now.
But you say like sexy, dirty, drugs, rock and roll, the whole
That is,
We didn't say it, but okay.
that is perfectly sums it up.
Make it a bit cheesy and corny, right? I mean, okay, no drugs, very good.
No drugs.
Keep it that way, keep it that way.
They say in the toilet.
What happens in the toilet stays in the toilet.
There we go.
And you say De Wallen. I mean, dirty, sexy, rock and roll. Is that idea we have of De Wallen?
Yeah.
Well, that's what we got. Not so sexy, not so dirty. But
quite dirty.
We were the dirty ones there. But and definitely a lot of rock and roll. Like there's a lot of rock and roll.
Yeah, and this is your third album you're promoting now?
Yeah. This is the third album we're doing. We started with the album in the hello. we started with the album in the beginning of the year, and now we've recorded it almost twice. And when we go back home, we're gonna finish the album. So now we're actually playing all the songs that's on the album, but the album's just not out yet. But hopefully by the start of next year, then it'll be out, and then we're gonna come back to Holland with the actual album and play it all again.
You start to be a bit famous around here, but how is it in the south of Africa? How famous are you guys there?
Infamous more than I think famous. No, the people enjoy us. We've had some very good success there. If you ask some of the local, like the rock fans there who De Wallen is, they'll go, oi, it's those bunch from Stellenbosch.
That's degenerate.
But especially in the festival circuit, people really like our shows because they're like, if we're playing, it's gonna be a loud party.
That party.
Yeah, and it's gonna be live.
So that's the south of Africa. This is the Netherlands. Where else in Europe or in the world? You guys know you.
Well, according to Spotify, we have some people in Brazil. We got some people in Norway, and then pretty much Europe, Germany, Belgium,
Los Angeles.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a hub in Los Angeles where people listen to our music.
Wow.
So now we just got to get more people listening.
Right? You pick your places.
Line was
keep on rocking, have some party and have a nice Friday evening. En ik zeg tot de andere keer bij de tweede aflevering mooi op de pot mooi. En ja, geen idee wie het dan weer is, maar dat zien we nog wel. Hey, tot de volgende. Mazzel!
Kitty, kitty, come on.